Okay, how are you today?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay, wait, Tono. Our class, Tono, is... Okay, what time is our class, Tono? Our class is
Tomorrow we have class at
9 a.m.
7 p.m.
Oh, wait, huh? I, not Tono. Okay, tomorrow our class is
7 p.m.
7 p.m. What, 7 p.m.? Sunday,
Sunday, Saturday,
8 p.m. Saturday,
8 and
and
uh
Friday, 7
Friday,
p.m.
7 p.m.
Okay. Okay, so I will see you on 7 p.m. Friday, 7 p.m. Sunday, and Saturday, 8 p.m. I will double check again the schedule. Okay, thank you so much, Tono, for coming in. Okay, how are you today? How was your first day in school? Are you classmate with me again or no? Not anymore.
No, we study different at school.
Different school, but still you are friends.
Yes.
That's good. Okay, at least you study different school, but still you are friends. Okay. So, how are you feeling today? Are your first school? How did you feel?
I feel
Feel better or what?
feel mm, I feel a little shy, but as some fun and some fun and fun and happy
Oh, you're happy. Why do you feel shy? Because
because I had to go a new school and new class.
okay, so you have new classmates, new school. Okay, did you find a friend already or not yet?
Yes.
You find one?
Yeah. Three.
Wow, three. How girls?
Two girls and two boys and girl.
Okay.
One girls and one boy studies same my English class and one boy is me friends.
Wow, that's good. Okay, at least you have friends. Okay, you have new friends. You've got new friends. That's very important to know. Okay, so so you will be at least. Did you miss your old friends? Did you miss your old classmates?
Mm, uh, yes.
Wow, did you miss them? Do you have best friend in last school in your classmates?
Mm, best friend, no, my best friend can study different school too.
So did you contact with each other? Did you chat? You
Mm,
chat with your best friends? Did you contact her? I know.
no.
Oh, so now I know you're very excited with this school year. Oh, because because you are having new classmates, okay, new friends. Okay, I know that's quite be excited for you. Okay. So now, Tono, let us have here the topic. Let us have developing 23. Okay. Okay, so we have here, we're talking about movie. Oh, what movie do you like, Tono? Horror, love story, okay, cartoons, what? What movie do you like?
I like cartoon and horror.
Oh, you like cartoon, horror. Why do you like horror or cartoons? Because,
Cartoon because cartoon I think is fun and like it. And horrors oh I want to
You're
to
scared?
mm, I don't scare but I like
I am not scared. Again, I am not scared, but
I am not scared but sometime uh I think is real horrors film.
you really like horror film. Okay, but of course, like Teacher Ann. Teacher Ann also loves horror film. I really want to watch horror film. How about action? Do you like to to watch action movie?
Action movie.
Yes.
Uh, I don't like to watch action movie because I think it's boring.
You find it boring or you don't like. Me too. I don't like action movie. I really don't like action movies. Okay, so here, let us have vocabulary. We have here the casts. Okay, it's the character, the cast or character cinematographer. We're talking here about movie. So all of this, Tono, are found in the movie. Cameraman. When you shoot, there is cameraman. So it's in the movie. Okay, director, the background of the movie, the entertainment, the extra, and the film review. Okay, so here we have here the plot. Plot, what's first, second, third, fourth. This is the plot. Plot. Scene, what's the scene all about? It is about horror. Okay. Screen, the big screen. You can watch the movie or the film in the big screen, in the cinema. Okay. Have you been to the cinema?
I never been has uh has been in the cinema, but think I will go there
What
once.
day? Okay. Have you watched in the cinema? Have you watched movie or no? Not yet.
Mm, and I think when I go cinema, I watch cartoon or horror film or animation.
Okay. Script writer. Script writer. Okay. Movie maker.
Mm,
Movie maker. You know movie maker? The
yeah.
one who make movie. Okay. Main actor or actress. What is the main actor or actress? It's the
Mm,
main actor or actress. Producer. The producer. Okay. The trailer. Okay. The trailer. Do you know what is trailer?
yes.
Okay. Example, there is a movie and you are running. And then there is someone go at the back of you, keep on hunting you, doing that one with the gun. Okay, so you have to run as fast as you could because you are trying to catch the movie. Okay, I mean to catch the person. Okay, that's thriller. Producer is the one who produced the movie. They are the one who spend money for the movie to realize. Main actor and actress. These are the people who play as the character of the movie, of the film. Okay? Movie star, it's the boy or the girl who play main character, the main actor, the movie star. Okay? Another
Yeah.
one. We have action movie. Oh, you know this, right?
Yeah.
Action. Adventure movie. Do you know adventure movie?
Yes. I sometimes I like it.
Okay, sometimes you like it. Cartoons. You know,
Cartoon, yes, I like it.
you like cartoons. Okay, comedy.
Comedy. Uh,
Yeah, comedy.
Sometimes I like comedy because I usually I don't feel it's a comedy.
Okay, so comedy makes you laugh, right? When you have comedy, you will laugh because comedy is funny, right?
Yes.
Tono? Yeah, okay. So you like to watch comedy. Drama movie. Do you know drama movie?
Mm, I don't like very much.
Okay, you don't like very much drama movie. Okay. Hey, how about documentary?
The comment uh story.
Mhm.
Sometimes I like it because I think it's about history.
Okay, it's real. Documentary is the real footage of the movie. The real footage of the movie. Family movie. Do you know family movie?
Yes.
Okay, so okay, next is horror.
Yes, I like it.
Okay, it's horror. Okay, next is historical movie. What do you mean by historical movie? It
I
is.
like historical movie, but my mom always say watch this movie.
Okay, it's very nice. Okay. Next. Okay, musical movie.
Musical movie. Um, I don't like very much, but I like to listen to music.
Okay, you like to listen to music. Okay. Romance movie.
Romance movie. I don't like it.
Okay, you didn't like it. Okay. Romance is just love story. Science fiction movie.
Science fiction movie. I don't like it.
You didn't like it. You didn't like the sci-fi. Okay. And tragedy movie. What's about tragedy movie?
Country movie. I don't know what's this movie, but I can think he is boring or um like a drama movie, and I don't like it.
Okay. Okay, so here. Now we have here. Okay, we have the word shocking. Shocking, it means you feel shocked. Oh, what is that? My God, it's so shocking. Okay, that is shocking. Okay. Entertaining. Do you know the word entertaining?
Mm,
Okay.
yes.
Entertaining. Okay, you were entertained or you love it. You want to go. You are happy because you were entertained. Masterpiece. 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 What is masterpiece? It is.
Mm, uh,
Okay, masterpiece is. A masterpiece is the one that is your favorite. Example. So you draw something. Okay. So this is my masterpiece. I can draw the face of one of your favorite football player. I can exactly draw. This is my masterpiece. I know how to draw the face. Okay. Confusing. What do you mean by confusing?
I think I think in I don't I watching a movie and sometimes I confusing because I don't know what the action doing or what the movie what the movie is in.
Okay, so you like the movie? Okay, it is really good. Okay, to watch the movie. Confusing, you feel confused. Okay, because of the movie. Okay. Next is must see. What is must see?
I
Must seen movies.
I
Must seen movies. Okay, must seen, it means the one that you can see. It's a must see movies. Disappointed. Disappointed.
yes.
Okay, disappointed. You are disappointed with what you are doing. You feel disappointed. Okay, another one is okay, boring. What do you mean by the word boring?
Mm, I think boring thing is a little sad and feel is not you is not good. It's not good. It's not make fun for the people watch the movie.
Okay, now, so here, common sentences. Okay, I will ask you something, huh? What is on the cinema? What do you think you can find in the cinema?
I think
Okay, is there anything good at the cinema?
yeah.
Is
Yes.
there anything good at the cinema? Okay, what is this film about?
About how the life or the life or give me a lesson about the life.
Okay, so in the cinema, you can find there it's a big screen, and then of course you can find the newly, okay, shown movie. Okay, is there anything good at the cinema when you watch? What do you think, Tono? Is there anything good on or at the cinema? Is there anything good at the cinema?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay, what do you think is the good thing in the cinema?
The good thing in the cinema is the film and has uh and has the
The
tough
screen is big. Okay, right? The screen is very
yes.
big. Okay. What you will gonna eat when you will be inside the cinema, Tono?
I think so because I I never has gone to the cinema.
Okay. Okay. So, have you seen it?
Mm,
Okay. Okay. What kind of film do you like to watch? When example, you will be in the cinema, it's a big screen. What kind of film do you like to watch?
I like to watch cartoon.
Okay. Okay. So, so somehow there's a thriller. Do you like to have thriller? Okay, do you like to watch the thriller?
I don't like. I watch thriller film.
Hmm. Okay. So it's been out for both 2 months. Okay, so it's meant to be good. Okay, when you watch cinema. Um, so when you have here common sentence is this one, giving comments. So when you give comments, Tono is like this. What did you think? Oh, you give comments. Okay, example, I ask you, what did you think about watching the cinema, Tono?
I think it's fun and I feel it's really good because the string is big and large.
Okay. So it was great. It was really good. It was nothing bad. I thought it was rubbish. So these are the comments when you try or when somebody asks you, Tono, okay. Okay, Tono, how's the cinema? Okay, these are the things that you will gonna say. Teacher, it was great. Okay, so these are your comments. We call it comment Tono. Okay? So example, I will ask you, Tono, what did you think about cinema? Okay, what will be your answer?
I think it wasn't bad and was really good because I like the filming there and the screen is big and
Okay,
has the play zone.
okay. Okay, so these are another giving comments. It had a good plot. The plot was quite complex. So these are some also example of how you give commands. Okay, when example here, how was the movie Tono? What comment you will gonna answer based on here?
I think it had a good plot and she and the actor and she is a very good actress.
Okay, it's a very good actress. Okay, so these are your comments. Okay, so we have that. Please try to choose. Okay, match the numbers here from the letter here. Okay, go to no.
Okay.
Wait nito no ha.
Happiness teacher. Happiness teacher. Happiness teacher.
Okay, so we have here Western, letter F. A movie with fast moving. Let me see, ha. Or letter C. A movie about life in the West. From the word West. Okay, so now please review your answer first. Review your answer.
Three is letter D. A movie that try to scare the audience. Audience.
Okay, horror, letter D. Let me see. Oh, correct. Tries to scare the audience. It's audience. Do you know audience? Kana?
Audience is the people watch movie.
Okay, so the people, correct. It's the people who watch the movie. It's the audience. Okay. So next is action. It's the letter F. Fast moving story full of danger and excitement. Science fact. What's sci fact?
It is a movie about events and take place in the future or the outer parts of the uh, universe.
Okay, it is the outer part of the universe. Okay, next. Let me see. Oh, comedy.
Comedy is a movie that tries to make people laugh.
Okay, you try to make people laugh. That's comedy. Okay, next one. Listening comprehension. Listen carefully the conversation.
Okay. Teacher this it taught it listening.
Mhm.
Page
Yeah.
24. Exercise A. Listening comprehension. Listen carefully to the conversations about movies. Conversation 1.
Let's see a movie.
Good idea. What do you want to see?
What about Mediterranean Moon?
Is that a love story?
Yes, about forbidden love.
Conversation 2.
Did you see The Violinist when it was in the theaters?
Yes, I did. Wasn't it great?
It sure was. That's a movie I'll always remember.
Conversation 3.
I'd love to see The Good Catch.
Me too. I heard it was a true story.
It was, and there are some scenes where you can't stop laughing.
Conversation 4.
Let's go to the movies. My Neighbors on Neptune is playing.
What's that about?
Parking problems on a distant planet.
That sounds too strange for me.
Conversation 5.
There's a new movie at the Metro Theater. Want to go?
What is it?
Plants of the Kalahari.
That'll put me to sleep.
Conversation 6.
Let's go see Animal Opera.
What?
Animal Opera. They trained cats and birds to sing famous opera music.
That's stupid. I'd rather see something serious.
Conversation 7.
Have you seen anything good recently?
Well, I saw Crazy Horse. Have you seen it?
Yes, but I didn't like it. There was too much killing for me.
Can we listen again, teacher?
Page 24. Exercise A. Listening comprehension. Listen carefully to the conversations about movies. Conversation 1.
Let's see a movie.
Good idea. What do you want to see?
What about Mediterranean Moon?
Is that a love story?
Yes, about forbidden love.
Conversation 2.
Did you see The Violinist when it was in the theaters?
Yes, I did. Wasn't it great?
It sure was. That's a movie I'll always remember.
Conversation 3.
I'd love to see The Good Catch.
Me too. I heard it was a true story.
It was, and there are some scenes where you can't stop laughing.
Conversation 4.
Let's go to the movies. My Neighbors on Neptune is playing.
What's that about?
Parking problems on a distant planet.
That sounds too strange for me.
Conversation 5.
There's a new movie at the Metro Theater. Want to go?
What is it?
Plants of the Kalahari.
That'll put me to sleep.
Conversation 6.
Let's go see Animal Opera.
What?
Animal Opera. They trained cats and birds to sing famous opera music.
That's stupid. I'd rather see something serious.
Conversation 7.
Have you seen anything good recently?
Well, I saw Crazy Horse. Have you seen it?
Yes, but I didn't like it. There was too much killing for me.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, Mediterranean moon is what? It is romantic. Oh, you want to? I will let you listen again now. One more, please. Listen carefully. Review.
Page 24. Exercise A. Listening comprehension. Listen carefully to the conversations about movies. Conversation 1.
Let's see a movie.
Good idea. What do you want to see?
What about Mediterranean Moon?
Is that a love story?
Yes, about forbidden love.
Conversation 2.
Did you see The Violinist when it was in the theaters?
Yes, I did. Wasn't it great?
It sure was. That's a movie I'll always remember.
Conversation 3.
I'd love to see The Good Catch.
Me too. I heard it was a true story.
It was, and there are some scenes where you can't stop laughing.
Conversation 4.
Let's go to the movies. My Neighbors on Neptune is playing.
What's that about?
Parking problems on a distant planet.
That sounds too strange for me.
Conversation 5.
There's a new movie at the Metro Theater. Want to go?
What is it?
Plants of the Kalahari.
That'll put me to sleep.
Conversation 6.
Let's go see Animal Opera.
What?
Animal Opera. They trained cats and birds to sing famous opera music.
That's stupid. I'd rather see something serious.
Conversation 7.
Have you seen anything good recently?
Well, I saw Crazy Horse. Have you seen it?
Yes, but I didn't like it. There was too much killing for me.
Teacher.
Okay, violinist was unforgettable. Very good. And then the good catch was funny. And my neighbors in Neptune is, it's weird. And plans of the Kalahari is boring. Okay, animal opera is, what do you think? It's silly. Very good. And Crazy Horse was violent. It's a violent movie. It means it's not good movie. It's a violent one. Okay, so this one. Read the DVD labels, then write the genre. What do you think is the genre? Example, this is documentary. Okay, please write the genre. Horror, love story, romantic, or what?
Okay.
Wala din. Good. Wala na dyan.
Happiness teacher.
iPhone 20. Okay, horror film, comedy, and musical movie. Very good. So you know the genre of these different pictures or books. Okay, which of these four that you like the most to watch? Which genre?
I like the most is horror film.
Wow, nothing changed. You really love horror. Okay. So this one. Now, so make notes about two movies that you have seen, huh? Or you have seen before, or the one you have seen. You write here, Tono, the title, the genre. Example, if you don't know the title, just make your own title. Genre, if it's horror, comedy, you write here, what is the movie all about? Okay, adjectives, you will write here, scary, beautiful, pretty, like that, bad adjectives. Okay, you write here in this note.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so we have here Despicable Me. Oh, your favorite. It's animations. The Adventure with Minions. Ah, it's fun and it's silly. Okay, I've seen Despicable Me too. Missing Halloween. I don't know this. It's animation. It's horror. Friendship between the boy and a kid spirit. Oh, adjective. You feel sad about friendship. I'm scared when you see the body of the little girl. Why? What happened with the body of the little girl?
Is the little girl who who go to the dangerous zone and she died in there and the police can find her
Body.
yes, find her body.
Oh, so
You,
sad.
you can watch this movie on the YouTube.
Okay, I will try to watch Missing Halloween. Okay? Thank you so much for today, Tono, ha? Okay, I will find this Missing Halloween. It's horror. Okay, it's in YouTube.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, and then
Missing Halloween, this movie is 8 years ago. So I found it like when I watched my video.
okay. So when you watch the video, you found the movie. It's very nice.
Yes.
You find it nice. Okay, I will see you on tomorrow. Okay. Okay, thank you. It's 8 p.m. tomorrow.
It's 7 p.m. tomorrow.
Okay, wait. wait, ha? Tono, I have class 6:30 p.m. tomorrow. Can we have 7:30 or 7:15 tomorrow?
7:15.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, teacher.